Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is April. Today's project is EEK. I purchased this really awesome paper at Hobby Lobby. And I bought this EEK sign at Dollar Tree. And I thought this would look really cute on one of those papers. So actually, I was tracing this out upside down and realized my mistake, so I turned it right side up. But I did use the other piece as well later on. So I am just tracing it out, the EEK on this paper, the back side. There's a lot of nooks and crannies with this, so you'll just have to take your time. It looks like I'm doing a lot faster because I have the speed going faster. And then you just cut it out. You can do this with any sign and with any paper for any season. I have so many different decorations for Christmas, Halloween, and different things with the cutest monsters with paper and craft paper. And they have really nice designs at Hobby Lobby. So I went ahead and I Mod Podged the first side with the paper on top, and now I am painting this back side of the sign in a licorice color. You could probably do this a lot faster if you had a larger brush or a larger sponge, but that's all I had at the moment. So luckily we sped this up and we're making good time here. This is the first coat. We have to remember to get all the sides and edges and the ends. It's Halloween tomorrow night. I'm sure all your kids and grandkids are excited to dress up in costumes, even if it's just a house party. Sometimes those are the most fun. Okay, that's the second coat I just applied. Now I'm painting the sides of the EEK sign in the same licorice. Actually, when I made this video, I still wasn't able to walk. And I'm sitting in one of my recliners actually, and my sweet husband brought me our large cutting board to be doing this project on. And I had my bathrobe over my legs, so I'm sorry for the casual setting there. I added some orange paint on that board after the black. And now I'm hot gluing the spiders on the sign, at least the first spider there. And I got this Beware sign at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be a great sign to do this project on. So I'm cutting out the bottom edges of this paper that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I have a really cute idea, so I can't wait to show it to you. So then I also put this green color on, and it matches the paper really well. And I added some more black to it, the licorice. And as always, you can add whatever colors you want, or a different size of sign or color or shape or letters or whatever you're wanting to do. Sorry, that's my little puppy. He loves to protect the house. He's sitting under a table next to me, and he likes to look out the window and keep us safe. You're okay, Cass. And now I'm going to be adding a little purple. Actually, I'm surprised none of our dogs, we have 3 dogs, none of them have really made much noise when I'm doing my audio for my videos. You might hear him barking through this video. Okay, so I put Mod Podge on the sign, and then I put the corner that I had just cut out. And then I'm Mod Podging over that, and then the rest of the sign. And the other corner will go on the top part. You just press it down and put more Mod Podge on top. It dries really nicely. So you let that dry. Well, apparently after you put more Mod Podge on. And then I used E6000. This is the back side of the sign. So I ended up putting the paper on both sides because, as I mentioned, first of all, I did it upside down. So I had the paper done for both sides. And so I did E6000 and hot glue and put it down on the board. And then I added these other 2 spiders. And I thought, if this is going to be EEK, we really want it to stand out. And so I put these, a really large spider at the top and a couple of smaller spiders on the middle and toward the bottom. And then I'm just wrapping some burlap twine, well, not twine but ribbon, around the top. Just trimming that. And this little sign that came with it, I thought it was cute. I painted a spider on it and drew a web. And so that's what's on the sign at the top. It's time for the final reveal on EEK. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'd love for you to join my YouTube family. And until we meet again, be brave, be kind, and be loving.